What is the difference between a Java stack and a Java queue? Option A stack is a last in, first out data structures, while a queue is a first in, first out data structure. A stack is a first in, first out data structure, while a queue is a last in first out data structure. Option C, a stack is a data structure for storing objects, while a queue is a data structure for storing primitives. Option D, there is no difference. Okay, don't worry, we are going to check all the options and find out the correct option. So before that, just let me tell you what is the stack in Java and what is a queue in Java, so that it would be easy for you to recognize the correct answer easily from this question. Okay, just let me tell you what is the stack first. Stack is a data structure that follows last in first out principles. Last in first out principle followed last in first out principle. This is called as a last in first out principle. And if I talk about queue, a queue is a data structure that follows the first in first out principle. Queue is following FIFO principle. FIFO principle. FIFO, it means that first in first out, first in first out principle. This means that the first element added to the queue will be the first one to be removed from the queue. Think of it like a line of people waiting for their turn. The person who comes first leaves first. And for the example of LIFO, this means that, okay, just let me explain. This means that the last element added to the stack will be the first one to be removed from the stack. Think of it like a stack of plates where you can only take the top plates off for the stack. Okay, now let's check the options. Which option is correct? Okay, let's check option D first. There is no difference. Okay, let's check difference. You can clearly see stack follows the LIFO principle and queue follows the FIFO principle. And if I talk about the main difference between them, is the difference between a stack and a queue lies in how elements are added and removed. So yes, we have difference in stack and queue. So that is why D option is wrong. Okay, let's check C option. A stack is a data structure for storing objects, while a queue is a data structure for storing primitives. A stack is a data structure for storing objects, while a queue is a data structure for storing primitives. C option is wrong. Why? Let me explain. Both stack and queues can store object as well as primitives in Java. The difference between a stack and a queue lies in how elements are added and removed. So that is why C option is wrong. Okay, let's check B option. A stack is a first in first out data structure, while a queue is a last in first out data structure. So first we know that stack follows the LIFO principle, like last in first out. But here, just let me highlight. Here you can see it is saying that a stack is a first in first out data structure. But here you can see stack follows LIFO principle, like last in first out. So that is why this statement is wrong. So that first statement is wrong. So we are not going to check the another statement. So B option is wrong because stack follows last in first out data structure. Now A option is remaining and this could be wrong. Okay, let's check. A stack is a last in first out data structure, while a queue is first in first out data structure. Yes, you can see here, just let me highlight. Stack follows last in first out data structure, and this statement is saying a stack is a last in first out data structure. So first statement is true. Okay, let's check second statement, that is while a queue is a first in first out data structure. So queue is a first in first out data structure. So this statement is also correct. So both the statement is correct. So option A is correct. Option A is correct.